Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're just going to continue on with the bed framing this week. So what I need to do is square them all off. So I need to brace the bottoms so that it's all nice and square, it's not going to move, and then I can put my doors in between. So I've got to do that for the rest of the bed frame. So let's crack on. This is a great idea. I wish I figured this out earlier, but I forgot I had these clamps, which makes it a lot easier to sort of line everything up, just do things properly. Right, I'm getting a bit bored doing this editing, so let's go see what Carla's up to.
I don't know how to get it all off. It's all stuck.
Ew. Oh wow, that looks good.
My hands do not.
Well done. Right, let's get back to the editing.
It's like a little alien when you look at it from the side like that. Hello.
Leave in the comments if you're sick of pocket hole screw B-roll, because I know I am. I have to clean that lens now. It's flush like a toilet.
So should it all stand up on its own now?
Well, yeah, I mean it did do before. It was just that the idea being that I've put these at the bottom, it makes sure that these verticals are the true verticals, if that makes sense. So they're not going off at an angle like that, or going like that, or going like that. They're square now with the framework. So that when I do this, that gap is going to be flush. Obviously, I need to adjust for stuff, but I can now get those widths correct. So now we can easily do the doors, which are going to go internally, and then I think they're just going to lift up or lift down. I don't know which is best. So leave in the comments if you've got experience of them flopping down, if you think that's better, or lifting up. I think lifting up might be too restricting to put stuff in.
I was going to say, I think down's better.
There, but
then you can just slide stuff in.
But they are 180 degree hinges, so they will lift all the way up like that.
Yeah, but you've got to hold it then, haven't you? So you've always got one hand holding it up.
Yeah.
The other way, you can just drop it to the floor and then use two hands.
Problem with that on this though is I don't have anywhere to fix my hinges because this isn't thick enough. Whereas that's a nice big profile to put my hinges on. So I think for the back, I'm gonna have to do them lifting up.
Okay.
And then just think of a way to latch them back or something. I don't know. Yeah, it should be fine. Or do them outwards. No, I can't do them outwards. Got to be up. Hello. Right, so next job. These were a bit of a mistake because I wasn't quite sure how I was going to do this bit. So they're coming off, but it doesn't really make much of a difference. And then we bought some more of this, but it's like, it's not finished off white, it's like bare green or something. So we're just going to put that straight onto there. Hopefully it works. We shall find out. So just remove these now. Right, so this be the stuff, and oddly the length is exactly the right length. I mean, it might be 5mm extra, but it's only just. And you have to buy them this size, so quite lucky there.
Hello. Is it fit?
It fits.
Pee.
Hello. Right. I'm about to blow my mind and your mind at the same time. So, I've got this panel that is more or less exactly the right size. It's about 5mm too small, but it doesn't really matter. Anyway, so before I fix that on there, I have to cut out a couple of holes. I've already done 2 for the lights and 1 for the switch. But I need to do another hole for this pulley thing, which allows you to pull down it's a handle to pull down the tailgate when it's open. But I don't know where it is, because it's somewhere behind there, and because everything's sort of curved and bent and whatever, it's going to be a nightmare to actually try and measure this. So my genius idea, that's the fixing for it, over here. I'm going to put some blue tack just over that fixing, like that. Then I'm going to get a Sharpie and I'm going to draw a dot in the centre of those little holes, and then that gives me my point. So now I just need to eye it all up, get it in position, and then I'm just going to push. Oh my god, I'm a genius. There's my markers. I swear to God, honestly, absolute genius. Genius.
You actually amaze me.
Well, I can't believe that worked, to be fair. I honestly didn't expect it to work. But it has. Oh my god, absolute genius. So now all I need to do is get my handle. I don't even need to take those off because I know they're exactly there in the right place. I put a marker on just in case they fell off. Hopefully the marker would stick. Eye that up and then draw around it. Jobs are good and Bob's your uncle, fan's your aunt. Honestly, I learned something.
Every day is a school day.
It is, isn't it? There she is. Even my dots transferred on. That's how much of a genius I am. Wow.
You love to blow your own trumpet, don't you?
I do. When something like that, I mean, that's just genius. Absolute genius. Ugh. Right, so that fits. I've got all my holes cut out. We're going to leave it now because, as you can see, well, you probably can't because that camera's really good, but it's actually almost pitch black now. So we're going to go have some food at a pub and then we'll catch you tomorrow morning. So don't tune out, we're not finishing the video. We'll be back in the morning. See you in a bit. Morning everybody, welcome back and welcome to the outdoor Armadi workshop.
We have the saw, the table, and all the bits and
Various
pieces.
bits and bobs. Yeah, but it's a bit windy today, so yeah, it's not ideal. But we'll crack on anyway and just continue on from wherever we left off yesterday, which is doing the back panels, the side panels, and maybe get a door done on the bed frame. That's the plan. We'll see if we get there. So one day I will get better at these intros. Remember my nice, beautiful ensemble of tools that I laid out earlier on? Well, I forgot the main guy. So I'm going to have to put it in place strategically so you guys don't notice. Just in case you guys wonder what Carla does. Painter.
This is really thick
It's really
and
thick,
gluey.
isn't it?
Is it
Yeah.
meant to be?
I don't know.
I don't ever remember priming before.
Boy. Right, so while Carla's in there painting, I'm in here just making sure that I'm prepping the spotlights and the little button that opens the tailgate. So doing a bit more of electrical work that I don't really enjoy. But anyway, we'll see if it works. So there's going to be one spotlight here, one there, and then a button about here that's going to activate the tailgate. So when we're in here, we can just press it. Central locking opens the tailgate. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. Right, so that's the spotlights wired up. I'll just need to wait for Carla to paint that backboard and we can put it on. So next job is to cut out the panel for the sliding door and do basically the same as what we've done there, but over there. So luckily I've got a template from the old piece of wood that was there. This one I had to do from scratch, but that one hopefully I can just cut around. We'll see. Good morning everyone and welcome back to the world's longest fan build you've ever witnessed. Right, let's get some tools out. First things first, let's put this freshly painted panel on the tailgate. Right, so I've wired up this button which is meant to be for the central locking. Never tested it, I have no idea if it's going to work. I don't have faith, so let's see if it works. Oh my god, it works! How'd you get out? Jesus Christ, it works! What the hell? That's like first bit of like proper electrics. Like proper electrics. Oh my god, it worked. Yay! Oh wow, amazing. Ta-da! I'm well impressed with that, especially this little button. Right, now the next job, I think I'm going to make some doors. See how that goes. Right, so I'm going to make some doors for these bits first. So I need to measure the internal dimensions. But always keep your offcuts, because Carla, every time I cut some wood, it's like, is this for firewood? Is this for firewood? Like, no, I'm probably going to use it later. It looks like I am, so stop asking, Carla. That's my door frame. I've routed out a groove there so I can put my 6mm ply behind, and then that's going to be the front, so it's going to look nice and flush. Quite impressed with that.
Oh God, it's getting to death. Oh God.
Right, so that's 4 doors done now. They just fit nicely in there. And I'll figure out whether or not I'm going to have them swing up, swing down, or even go out. I don't know yet. Yeah, not too shabby.
Oh god. Try that again.
That's it for this week. I think we've done a cracking job, if I do say so myself. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, hit the bell to be notified for new videos, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Look at that. Cracking sunset.